In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger VPS. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. From there, head to the hPanel login page and sign in with your Hostinger account credentials. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one using accurate information, as this will be used later for billing and important notifications. Once logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you manage all hosting services. Next, locate the VPS section in the navigation bar and click it to enter the server area. This is where virtual private server plans are listed and managed. Take a breath and scan the available options before clicking anything. The VPS area gives you an overview of resources like CPU, RAM, storage, and monthly bandwidth, which are the key factors you'll want to match to your project's needs. Now, review the virtual private server plans available. Compare the specs and pricing to find the plan that suits your workload. If your project needs consistent performance, prioritize CPU and RAM. If you expect high traffic or large file transfers, pay attention to bandwidth and storage type. Choosing a location close to your user base can reduce latency, so keep that in mind as you evaluate the choices. When you've identified the plan that fits, use the Get Now button to start the subscription and configuration process. Clicking this will take you to the purchase flow, where you'll make specific selections and confirm the plan details. The interface may ask you to choose optional add-ons. Only select what you truly need to keep costs under control. At the server location selection step, choose the data center region that makes the most sense for your audience. Picking a nearby location can improve performance for users in that region. After choosing the region, follow the guided instructions to enter your billing information and complete the purchase. Make sure all billing details match your payment method exactly to avoid delays. Before submitting your order, double-check every entry for typos or incorrect selections. A quick review now can save setup headaches later. After payment, check your email for a confirmation message from Hostinger. This email will contain important information about your new server and any next steps. Once you receive confirmation, your VPS will be provisioning and you'll be ready to continue with any further setup required for your project. That's it. Straightforward steps from signing in to receiving your VPS confirmation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more guides.